Frustrated because Elementor's Testimonial Carousel is locked behind Pro? Learn how to unlock and add it to your page in under 2 minutes. We'll start by editing the home page in Elementor. Then we'll click through to Pro, grab the Testimonial Carousel, and handle the upgrade step. Go to Edit Home with Elementor. Click on Highlight. Click on Pro. Click on Testimonial Carousel. Click on Use Testimonial Carousel widget and dozens more Pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. Click on Upgrade Now. Click on Upgrade Now. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.